If the Scotiabank app isn't working properly, there are a few fixes you can try. First, open the Play Store and search for Scotiabank. Open the app page, and if you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Running an outdated version of the app can often cause performance issues and bugs. Once the app is updated, open your device settings and go to Apps. Find and select the Scotiabank app, then tap Storage. Next, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to malfunction. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem continues, go back to the App Info page and tap Uninstall. Once the app has been removed, open the Play Store, download Scotiabank again, and sign back into your account. A fresh installation can often fix persistent bugs and restore normal app performance. And that's how you can fix the Scotiabank mobile app if it's not working properly. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.